just in case if you wish to come back and check these. Okay, so one more thing I need to say, please, I'm going to make this tutorial for qualitative research, and it's going to start really quickly with the questionnaire, because I presume you already set up the questionnaire by referring the literature. It means you need to pick questionnaire from verified scales. What does it mean? Okay, before coming to the questionnaire, let me show you one more thing. This is like probably you know that one. This is forms, Google Forms. Please note, you need to use the Google form, but not, sorry, Microsoft Forms, okay, not Google Form. Google Forms are not allowed. If you, by luck, if you use that one, please don't report, don't tell me, okay, or don't your supervisor. You use the Google form, because in UK ethic like regulation, we need to use, you need to use the servers based on the UK or EU countries. So therefore, it's a bit hectic problem. Google servers are in United States, so it is not working for us for ethic things. Therefore, please make sure you use the Microsoft Forms, or alternatively another one. I can inform you that one. Probably Victoria will inform you as well about this one. Okay, so this is a quick reminder. We are not gonna make this one in our tutorial, but one more thing. When I open your or when your participant open your survey, they are gonna see this kind of information. Okay, what is missing here is consent form. This first section should be consent form, and your participant is supposed to have two options, yes and no, for each question. If they put all of them yes or no, you need to include or exclude them, okay, accordingly. You need to inform first section. This is a bit like test one. Personal information is starting here. Actually, it needs to start with consent questions, okay? Consent questions. So then personal information. This section is really important, because we would like to see some kind of descriptive statistics. How many people are coming? So we are starting now a statistic a little bit. Okay, I think Nikki is struggling to get in. Maybe. Then next section is, because this research is about alcohol abuse, how it is impact industry. So I ask hospitality and construct. My student made this research, and he says he's able to reach one of them. Okay, we later on we evaluated and we articulated accordingly. It meant to be one sector, but we included both for the initial point. Then substance use. Okay, can you see? I think Nikki is struggling to get in.
Hi, yeah, I apologize. It's
all
kicking
right,
me out.
Here. You are here now.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So, for example, this is substance abuse. So, can you say that Shaw 1999? So these questions are picked from the research and verified questions. Okay, please don't make up questionnaire. If you need to do, you need to inform your supervisor, because it is risky. If you don't use verified questionnaire, you may struggle to reach a correct elements in your data. Then later on, you can find a difficulty in reporting, okay, in your data analysis. So can you see here another reference, absenteeism? Okay, so this questionnaire is used before, okay? Okay, we settled that one. Now, statistically, we need to report whether this employee performance, let's say this is the factor or variable, is a relevant and parsimonious outcome, generating a good outcome or not, okay? It means you need to do some kind of validity and credibility checks, okay? So we are going to practice them today, okay? So we are not going to make this tutorial to make a questionnaire. We are making more advanced, okay? So I want you to take note. Jamovi is the application you can download in your laptop or desktop. Just from beginning, I'm planning to do this tutorial 2 hours, and I think we need to do 6 hours tutorial to finish all of them. So first, starting with validity check. Then the aim of this tutorial is checking, bringing inferential statistics to check or test your hypothesis, because quantitative researchers needs to offer hypothesis, okay? Hypothesis is your research aim. So statistics should generate for those, okay? So this is the Jamovi. Please note, you need to download this one to make the analysis, okay? Highly likely, when you download your Jamovi, you may not have these factors, this menu, okay? Empty, it's going to come empty. 1 or 2 is going to appear. What you need to click here and add module, okay? Add modules from here. So I don't want to give tutorial to teach you Jamovi, how to add menu, because it is not our subject. But the things we are going to do here is factor loading, explanatory factor analysis down here. Factor, explanatory factor analysis. Sometimes I use confirmatory factor analysis. Please don't forget, take these notes and keep in your mind, okay? Then SEM, interactive or syntax you can use, because AI is working really good and it is writing really good syntax as well. It means like typing codes, okay, for your path analysis, okay. So these are the menu we are going to use today. Also, some exploration for descriptive statistics you can use this application, and this is the part of your chapter 4. Okay, chapter 4 is the result chapter or data analysis chapter. Okay, you may need to use descriptive statistics, or you may need to, you need to use explanatory factor analysis and SEM, structural equation model. It means structural equation model in interactive things. Okay, so let's come back to our I propose you to write chapter 4. I'm happy to share these, okay, this way. Okay, chapter 4, write with words. Okay, chapter 4, don't write chapter 4. This is not a professional, okay? Chapter 4 is the professional one. Then introduction. Show reader what I'm gonna read, okay? So tell here introduction. Then data collection. It must be a bit small. So this is descriptive statistics and descriptive section, okay? Where you are gonna find them. You can use that descriptive statistics from here, okay? So it means you can read here how many people is graduated, what's the percentage of the participants are graduate from university or secondary school, or how many years they experience, if anyone more than 10 years, how many percent of them. So this is descriptive, and they are not going to help your hypothesis testing, okay? So then maybe you need to bring that skewness and kurtosis and Shapiro-Wilk test. These are normality tests, okay? Okay, I'm going to write here normality tests. Okay, it's nice to show them. Okay, these are descriptive statistics. Then this section is you can either show that one in your methodology section, construct building. It means your questionnaire and your conceptual framework. Okay. So this is the conceptual framework, intention to leave, job satisfaction. So kind of like this is the research is done. by the researcher, and it is given descriptive statistics here, and it is given the all each constructs, organizational commitments. Okay, organizational commitment is here. Okay, it means where it is coming from. Organizational commitment is compromised 7 Likert scale ranging 1 to 7, not at all to 7 extremely. So this is where you can report. Either you can put this section in your methodology, but for the OLEs, my last year, 2 years ago, my students' project, it was the alcohol abuse and how absenteeism is removed. And you can imagine that substance uses. So this is the like imagine he made this paragraph by using these references and show that the tell about the Likert scale, how many Likerts, 1 to 5. Okay, they used. Okay, so I hope it is okay for you. Is there any questions so far? So we are going to jump in a second into heavy statistics. Okay. Is there any question how you are going to construct your questionnaire? Is there any question about how you are going to report them? So nothing is we mentioned, we didn't come to testing hypothesis. The aim of this report, I mean, this tutorial is testing and bringing some inferential statistic to test your hypothesis. But there are some, before reaching that point, I need to show other things you need to follow, okay? Is there any question, please?
Hakan.
Yeah.
Not about the content you've gone over, but just overall, because I joined a bit late. Is this meeting being recorded?
Yes, it is recorded now. Yes.
All right,
Yes.
perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikki. So, as earlier said, validity check. What does it mean, validity check? Constructs. The constructs are these questionnaires, like absenteeism has got constructed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. Then whether this is valid, this is convergent, this is discriminant validity, this is convergent validity are suitable or not. Okay, so now